Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al, and I've got a challenge lock called the Crapper, and I can't make that stuff up, guys. It's really called Crapper, and it's by the one and only Mr. Bearsback. And let's get zoomed in here and tell you a little bit about this lock here. This is about my, I want to say, at least fifth try right now, maybe six. The only thing, and I've tried it both ways, and I'm going to try it this time counterclockwise because that's about the best luck I've had. I can get it into a false set counterclockwise, and then it just dies. It just laughs at me and makes jokes, makes fun of me, and calls me names. And no, really, it's seriously tough. So yeah, let's just get right into it because I mean, I like to say I'm confident about it, but I'm not. I'm going to go counterclockwise, so we'll go this way. Oh, wait. Duh. There's the bidding on the key. I apologize. It does work both ways just fine, as you would expect from Mr. Bearsback. Now let's get into it, or try to get into it. Yeah, and I don't know, the camera angle can't see it, but the cam on the back here, I mean, I've had that sucker like leaned over into a pretty decent, what I thought was a false set, and that's all it does, man. It doesn't go any farther than that. I'm gonna put on my timer now, just so we don't get into a documentary instead of a lockpicking video. Okay, here we go. Counterclockwise. I'm gonna start off with a gem just to see if we can get something started. It does have that little ledge over there too, which is kind of nice. It helps. I can use that to pick off of, but see, there's like no feedback, which, you know, makes it super tough if the lock doesn't talk to you at all. Well, for me it does. Makes it super tough. I'm getting some counter right there. Yep, there we go. Now I've got a little bit. I think I had it deeper than that. So let's keep going here. See, I've got some counter here now. I think right here. Okay. But I lost that turn I had, I think. Keep working it. Keep working it. Alright, now we got, I think it's 4s all the way to the floor. So it's 5. Yep, see, I've got a slight turn on the core. See, I'm feeling counter right here, I think. Let me see. Coming back out. Got nothing on 1, 2, 3. Feels like a little bit of counter there, but okay, 4s to the floor. 5. Okay, let me see if I can get a got a hook here. Let me see. This one might work. I got a southward hook here. I'm going to try to get in the back. See if we can get that pin in the back to set. I'm in the back there, I am. Huh. Sucker doesn't want to move. Damn it, I may have to I got that turn back. Slight bit of a turn, but I'll take it. That felt pretty good. Force to the floor. I may have to manually, let me see, 4, 5, yeah, I may have to manually set 5. So I may need a stronger one. I'm going to use another southward hook that's slightly stronger. See if I can get under that. Okay, that's 4. I want 5. I don't know if I got it high enough or not. Let's come back out and feel around a little bit. Oh, okay. Now I'm in a very deep false set, which this may be deeper than I had the first time. I mean, it's hopefully you can see it. I mean, that's a pretty dang deep false set right there. Hope I can send this one home. Looking for some feedback at this time. Not getting nothing. 4. I may need to go higher in 5. Oh, we got it. I'll be damned, it was 5. That's an open. That's an open. It's stuck on the spazzing out now. That's it's stuck on the vise. Oh man, absolutely. Okay. There it is. And I'll tell you what, man, that thing's, oh, it might be dragging in the back. It's kind of stiff in the back there. I think it's the cam, but it's open. I'll take that all day long. Okay, we're into what, 6.5 minutes? I'll take that. Alright, put this over here and bring the camera down over here. Maybe a little wider. Pinning tray, bada boom, bada bing. Where are we at? Right here. Good enough? Yep, good enough. Alright, as you can see, it's very much open. I'm going to lock it back up since we got a key. We got Phillips. Beautiful. I'll tell you what, this thing's got some nastiness in it. Bearsback. Yeah, that was tight. Yeah, it is. It kind of drags when you get to a certain point, so that's probably more of the nastiness that's in there. Alright, see if we can't get a shim in this. I have to go with that. See if that works. There's not a whole lot of tab on that one. We got it. 5-pinner. Got a key out of there. Ah. Alright, was doing it. That's what was doing it. See that? Overset trap. Number 4. It's like it needed to be picked, but just enough. Just enough to rack your brain. Yeah, buddy. Nice work, Bearsback. Get these laid out here, as usual. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see pin 4. Gnarly. Well, all of them really, but yeah, you know what? I don't feel bad at all for that thing kicking my butt 4 or 5 times. You'll see when you see the pins. Okay, we've got threading in 1. Looks like threading in 1. Yeah, threading in 1, and then we got, I think they're undercuts in 2, 3, and 5. Maybe like mild. Something going on in 2, 3, and 5. I think they're undercut. Yeah. And then threading in 1 on the core. See if I can't pick any of that up. Alrighty, going upstairs. Let's see. Shim out. Okay, back here like so. Let's take a peeky peek. We've got a serrated in 1, a little short serrated, little short spring. We've got a serrated in 2, little short serrated, and a little short spring. And we've got a longer serrated in 3, another little spring. And 4, we've got a, yep, T-pin, baby. Yep, that'll rock your world. And it did. And a steel spring, different spring. And last but not least, the one that was holding me up, kind of like a acid type looking thing. And another copper spring or whatever they're made out of. Okay, let's see. We've got I don't see no, I don't think there's anything done in the Bible. If there is threads, they're very, very mild. I don't see them, and I can't feel them with the pokey either, so I'm going to say nothing done to that. Excuse me. Okay. Crapper by Bearsback. Let's take a close-up on these beautiful pins. Alrighty. I'm going to hold this right here. Again, that was Crapper by Bearsback. Thank you so much, Bearsback, for not only making this awesome lock, but sending it to me, buddy. I highly appreciate it. Get zoomed in here like so. Alright, we've got a double serrated on the top of key pin 1. Key pin 2 is serrated on the top. So is number 3. And then look at this wild spool in number 4. Is that crazy or what? That's cool. And then a double serrated key pin in number 5. And then we've got a serrated drivers. We've got a serrated in 1, serrated in 2. We've got a serrated, I think it's got a little reduced at the end here. Anyways, it's at least serrated, number 3. And then we got a T-pin in number 4, nicely made. And then 5, it's like one of those ASA looking pins. I don't know if that's if he made that, it looks pretty good either way. And then golly, man. And then the springs did vary. We had some I guess copper or brass, whatever they're made out of, and then a steel one in number 4. Alright. Awesome. awesome pins, awesome lock, and really kicked my butt. So thank you all so much for watching. Big Al signing off.